really want layered haircut, trying it so you guys don't have to. Very scared. Pray for me. God. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be attempting to give myself a haircut. So it's like been over a year that I haven't given myself a haircut. My hair is like getting really long. I watched a YouTube video which showed how to cut your hair at home in layers. So I'm gonna try and attempt to do that. It's my first time I'm giving myself a haircut, so I'm a little bit nervous, but I think it's gonna be fine. Pray for me. If you guys are excited to see me chop my hair off, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So this is what my hair looks before. Okay, to give myself a haircut, or if you guys want to give yourself a haircut, all you're gonna need is a comb, a pair of scissors, and 3 rubber bands. Be sure to use a very sharp scissors, or preferably a new one, because you don't want to give yourself split ends. So for even cut, I've already straightened my hair. You guys can also use water to dampen your hair. So now I'm gonna tie my hair right in front by bringing it all in front. Like this. And then make sure to comb it proper, like this same way as I am doing. Just try to make it as perfect as you can. Bring all the hair. I'm using this white rubber band so you guys can see exactly where tied. So now I'm gonna comb it like this. I'm gonna place the second rubber band. I really want layered haircut, so I hope this works. Trying it so you guys don't have to. I'm gonna place this last rubber band at the place where I want to cut my hair, a little bit higher. Adjust it to the place where I want to cut my hair. I actually want to go for a shorter look, so I'm gonna cut this much hair. I'm gonna hold it like this so it's gonna be easier to cut. I'm very scared. Oh, look how much hair I chopped off. Oh my god. I hope I'm not gonna cry after this video. Bye bye. First, I'm gonna like even this out. So now I'm gonna cut it through like this with a, I don't have a thinning scissors, so I'm gonna use a normal scissor and like gonna use my finger as guideline, and I'm just gonna chop my hair. So now the final reveal. Drum rolls, please. my god. Did I really give myself layers? Oh my god. What? Did this really work? Looks so good. Oh my god. It's like shorter, then longer. God. I was like really scared because I chopped off a huge sum of hair and I was like, oh my god, am I gonna regret it? But oh my god, my length hasn't been so short, I guess. It's exactly the length that I wanted it to be. Literally, I'm in love with it. Oh my god, it worked. So a tick mark for this hack. So this is what it looks like from behind. So this is how it turned out to be. I'm in love with this layers. It's so pretty. I'm still like so shocked that it really worked, because there are like many videos that I saw that were like went wrong and things like that. I was so scared trying this on my own for the first time, but it worked so good. If you guys liked the video, please do not forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the notification bell so that you guys get notified every single time I post a video. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!